Hello, Mike with Carmichael Cleaning again here. Just want to do a quick video on what to do and what not to do when it comes to do-it-yourself grout color sealing. So this is a product our client purchased at Lowe's and painted the grout with. And as you can see, you have to basically scrape it out of the grout lines. And it makes a big mess. Very difficult to work with. So if you're thinking about doing it yourself, think again, give us a call at Carmichael Cleaning. Let the professionals deal with that. And this is what you can expect. We could definitely take care of it for you. We can color seal it properly and make it look beautiful again. Just in case you've made that mistake and tried to color the grout yourself improperly with some product at Home Depot or Lowe's or something like that. So save yourself hundreds if not thousands of dollars on color sealing it yourself and making a big mess, and give us a call and let us take care of that work for you.